We're here with Ian Kelbly of Kelbly's Incorporated. Everyone probably knows Ian. You guys promote and sponsor a lot of matches, so thank you for your help out at the VPRC this year.
Well, thank you. We had a blast out at the VPRC this year. Sin City Precision always puts on a great match, but we're really happy to be here at SHOT Show 2016. We got a lot of new products for the tactical market this year. The first thing that we have here is our new air rifle trainer. So when you look up here, you see our competition rifle, which is built in a full 6.5 by 55 GWI. Well, in Ohio, we have a lot of snow and a lot of bad weather, so we like to train inside as well. So we shoot in our barns and everything with our air rifles. It gets us good trigger time, and it features all the adaptations of our full competition rifle. So you have your nice tapered butt hook, still have the adjustable cheek piece, you have your full 12-inch Picatinny rail, so you're able to mount your bipod anywhere, and then you have the awesome accuracy of an Onschutz 8002 Black Air Hunter barreled action in that.
You know, Ed and I have been talking about doing some training aside from dry fire with air rifles. I think some folks out there may even do that. And when we're looking around, it's hard to find something that actually has the heft and the feel of a competition rifle, and this does.
Yeah, well, it all started, we've been working with Onschutz for a while now. We're building all their bench rest stocks for the Onschutz North America custom shop. So I wanted to pick one of these up to train with, and once I got it, you know, I started thinking about it, and I was like, man, I'd really love to drop one of these into my competition stock. So it's a lot like shooting out in the field, and this has just worked out great, and it's super cheap to shoot. I mean, it's about a $2,500 initial price to get in the door with one of these, and you got to get a scuba tank and everything. But I mean, it literally costs me about half a cent each shot once you have everything, and you can shoot thousands of rounds a winner and not even notice a thing about it.
Now tell us a little bit more about kind of the workings here. Like, so if you're going from shot to shot, are you loading in a magazine, or how do you actually progress through a firing sequence?
Well, this one's pretty simple. It's just a single shot load.
Okay.
That's how they're getting super accuracy out of it. I mean, this thing at 15 meters will stack shots on top of shots. It literally shoots one whole groups.
Yeah.
So that's what's really nice about it. That's why I chose to do just a single shot at first, was to see how it fit and see how it worked and everything. We have coming down the pipeline potentially another trainer rifle that will be available probably mid-year to the end of the year that we'll definitely have here at SHOT Show again in 2017. But we'll definitely let you guys know if we have any other trainers coming out.
Gotcha. And then tell us a little bit about the trigger here. Is that going to feel, similar to what folks are using out there?
The Onschutz trigger is very adjustable, so you're going to be able to change that to whatever weight and whatever pull feel that you want, as according to like your competition rifle back at home. I like having mine really, really light, so that way I'm practicing with a really light trigger, so that way when I jump up to my 6-ounce trigger on my competition gun, it feels a little heavier, a little stouter, and I'm used to pulling on something that's a lot lighter.
Gotcha. So
you have less chance of having an AD or an ND.
Right. Now, let's move on to this bad boy. Looks like a new stock that you're introducing?
Yeah, what we have here is the new GRS Berserk stock. This is a full synthetic stock. It's actually injection molded, but this thing is super, super, super rugged because it has a 15% fiberglass fill in it.
Okay.
This stock also features a 65% fiberglass bedding blocks instead of like the aluminum bedding blocks or the V blocks that are out there. And it's really going to give you a lot better accuracy than a standard aluminum bedding block. It has the great ergonomics of the GRS. It has the push button adjustments. And this thing is made for the Tikka short action, the Tikka long action, the Remington short action, the Remington long action, Weatherby short action, which also covers the Howitt 1500, the Savage 12, and the Savage 16. And this thing comes in right at $596.
Okay. And
so
color options?
As Henry Ford says, you can have any color you want as long as it's black.
Gotcha. And then over here, we'll talk a little bit about the rings.
All right, so what we came out with this year is the new Kelbly hunting rings. We call them hunting rings because of we do most of our business outside of the country, and a lot of countries don't like tactical on everything.
Right.
So what we've done here is we broke all the edges of the rings. We made them a lot beefier, and we offer them in a 30 millimeter and a 34 millimeter Picatinny. These rings are the most concentric rings on the market, and as long as you put it on one of our rails, you do not have to lap your rings because they're machined in matched pairs side by side. They're actually put on a precision mandrel and all machined side by side and then split apart, and they stay in matched pairs from the beginning to the end of manufacturing. So these rings retail at 150 bucks, and you can buy them directly off our website.
And available in your typical sizes, 30, 34?
Yeah, they're just available in the 30 and 34 millimeter.
Okay.
They're available in the black anodized finish, the bead blast finish, or a raw aluminum finish as well, for those guys that want to Cerakote them.
Well, that's a great update, Ian. And again, appreciate you spending some time with us here at SHOT Show.
Awesome. Well, thanks for stopping by, Ed, and thanks for stopping by, Steve. And it's been great talking to you guys.
Same here.